I'm gonna show you how to charge a lead seal battery. This is a battery that's come off of my garage door opener. It was beeping every 15 seconds. It was getting really annoying. What you can do is take one of these Stanley Black & Decker plugs, or any plugs you have. You see this one is from 9.6 to 18 volts. So to charge anything between that range, that's my battery. And make sure you have a voltmeter. And you get this voltmeter and other tools that I'm using here in the description below. You go straight to Amazon and purchase them. But first, what I had an old plug here. This is my voltmeter. Like I said, you can get it in the description below. This is my lead seal battery. It's a 12 volt battery. But let me show you. I'm gonna check the voltage. You see I got the red on the positive, the black on the negative, and I got 7.42 volts. So this battery was drained. So I just reversed it here to just show you. If I put the negative on the positive, it'll show a negative reading. So what that's saying, I got my hot on the negative. So if I put my hot on the red and the black on the negative, it'll show a positive reading. So that lets me know that my red is my positive. So what I had is an old plug. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cut this connection off. And this thing is no good. It went out a few days ago. And then what you want to do is take you some wire strippers and strip the plastic coating back so that you can get to the black and white. Black is your hot, white is your coming, and the green is the ground, as always. And like I said, all these tools I'm working with, you can get them in the description below, or to the top right, you can go straight to my website. Like you see, I'm stripping the plastic coating back. And I'm gonna take my wire strippers, and you see I'm stripping just about, I'd say 3/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch back, or 1/4 to 3/8. And I got these connectors right here, and you can get those in the description below also. So I'm gonna put this female connector on, and just take your crimpers and crimp the connection down. So I'm gonna put a female connector on each end. I'm gonna give you a close-up look on what they look like, because on the battery it's male connectors. You see right there. So it's gonna slide right on to the male connectors on the battery. And once you do this, what you want to do is take your charger, this charger right here, and take this in right here, and it fits right in there perfectly. You don't want it that way, you want it this way, and it'll slide right in. Just push right in. Then what you want to do is go plug it in, put power to it. So I got my extension cord. I'm gonna plug this into the power. Once you plug it into the power, you want to take your voltmeter and check these in. Make sure you know which one is negative and which one is positive. So I'm gonna take my hot and put it on the black. Take the black, put it here on the white. You should read a positive reading. As you see, 29 volts, which is good. So I'm gonna reverse it. So I know that the black is my hot. So if I reverse it and put my red to the negative and the black to the hot, you're gonna see a negative reading on my voltmeter. So that lets me know right here, my black is hot and my white cable, so that's the hot right there. So I want to plug that into the red on my battery. So I'm gonna plug it onto the battery. You see the male to female, and that's it. And let it charge for a few hours, or until the green light goes out on your charger. And I'm gonna put the voltmeter on here and show you that it's charging. As you can see, is how I got it plugged in. You can see the green light is on. That means it is charging. Once that green light go off, it is fully charged. So let's throw the voltmeter on there and see what the voltage look like while it's charging. And this voltage should slowly go down. This is a 12-volt battery. As you've seen in the beginning, I think I showed it, it was 16 volts. But this is right here is charging. You notice that the voltage is slowly going down. So it's going to take a few hours to get it fully charged. Because this battery I had in my garage door opener probably been in there 3, 4, maybe 5 years. So I'm going to give it a charge. And that's how you make the charger. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.